Jasmine McDonald. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're not familiar with my face, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. Today's video I'm so excited about. It's kind of different than my usual videos, but it's also the first time in 2 years I'm taking ballet class, or at least doing a ballet class by myself. I'm not actually taking like a class. I'm just gonna go into the studio, very casual. But I thought I would take you guys along to get ready with me. So I'll get into my hair, do my makeup, and I'm gonna show you everything I bring to ballet class, and hopefully it goes smoothly, because again, I haven't done a full ballet class in 2 years since the beginning of the pandemic, even before that because I was injured. So it's been a long time, a very long time. I already had coffee this morning. I washed my face, brushed my teeth. I did not put on moisturizer because I wanted to show you guys. I showed this in my last vlog, but I'm obsessed with my new moisturizer. It's from the Inky List, and the way it comes out, I had to show because you pump it and then that's it. That's how you get the moisturizer. It's so cool. Oh my gosh. And the studio that I'm going to is 30 minutes away. So I'm gonna get changed and I'm gonna shower when I get back. Normally when I was in the company, I would shower there. There's no showers here because this is actually the studio that I work at. I'm going to shower when I get back. I showered late last night anyway, so I don't feel super gross. It was kind of a toss up between this one. I also have this one that I'm obsessed with and I love. So I might actually wear this one because it's a little bit festive, a little bit Christmassy. But the white skirt I want to wear today goes better with this. We got so much snow last night. So much snow. Are you kidding me? I actually think my mom got me this one for Christmas one year, but it's so soft and velvety. And yes, I wear tights on top of my leotard because it's a little bit more comfy, but this is the one I'm gonna wear today. I think next time I go into the studio, I'll wear that one, but it's really cold today, so. And I'll wear a skirt on top as well, but because I'll be driving, I don't wanna wear a ballet skirt into the studio. I'll wear a pair of pants on top, just like sweatpants or something. And I do always like to wear little dangly earrings. It's just to feel pretty. Sometimes I'll wear like a little necklace. I have this Swarovski necklace I like to wear that has a little swan on it, a little black swan. It looks so cute with this, but I don't think I'll wear it today. It's just so cute. I love that this leotard goes down and cuts here too, because you can see my dick. So yeah, I'm just gonna put on a pair of pink sweatpants to be comfy in the car. I am wearing tights. I normally wouldn't wear tights if I was at home, but since I'll be walking outside, I figure I gotta stay a little bit warmer. So just some sweatpants over top, and because this is nice and comfy and warm. I'm just gonna loosely put my hair up in a ponytail. I don't think I'll be doing a lot of turns today, so I'm not gonna bother with a bun. Plus, I can't find any bobby pins for my hair, so I'm just gonna put it in a loose ponytail. And I always like taking a little bit of wispies out, just so I don't look like change of outfit. I'm gonna be wearing this sweater instead because I need to put a jacket on top. And I think that one's too thick. And this one's so cute because it says Hug-a-Moose. Reality. Totally forgot. It snowed a ton last night. I have to go brush snow off my car. Okay, just to tide me over, I have a coffee with me in my very festive mug. I'm gonna go drive to the studio. I have my big furry jacket on because it's freezing cold again. And then when I get back, I'll have lunch, but I'll take you guys in the studio with me. Made it to the studio. Forgot to mention I also brought a snack. I brought an apple and a protein bar to tide me over since I'll be doing an online stretching seminar after a little bit of ballet today. Just got to the studio. I picked the biggest one. There's two here and I'm using the big one today. I'm dying. The view is so pretty from here. It's all decorated. I am sweaty though. It's only me in the studio, so I probably don't need to be wearing this, but you know, respect. We're all in this together still. I just did a really nice quad. Like, I stayed up and I didn't get on camera. Last time I did a ballet class was so long ago. Okay, I just filmed a ton of TikToks and I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go home, relax before I teach online. I'm back home now. I already had a coffee there, so I'm going to refrain from having a third coffee today. But since I'm home now, I have about a half hour until I teach my classes until late tonight, so I'm just gonna relax. I had lunch with Steven, so that's why I didn't film it. We were just hanging out watching RuPaul's Drag Race. I had the leftover gnocchi from the other night if you watch my vlog, which I'll put up here as well as in the link down below, my description. Anyways, I hope you have a great rest of your day and I hope you enjoyed this. Come along to ballet class with me. I'm just gonna film the outro now because I know I'll finish at 8 tonight and be too tired to film it then, but I hope you have a great day. Thanks again for watching. Stay safe and bye now.